Hey, Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, we're back with another episode of TikTok Made Me Do It.
So over TikTok. TikTok makes people do crazy things.
Guys, I seen this on TikTok that these Pokemon limited edition Oreos was trending, and they sell it on eBay for like thousands of dollars.
We didn't pay thousands of dollars for this.
Nah, we pay about $3-4 for the pack. But I heard if you get a Mew, that they're selling Mew on eBay for $10,000.
I hope we get a Mew.
I'm hoping I get a Mew. The news said that they saw it. We haven't looked on eBay to see if it's true, but the news said Mew is selling for $10,000. So we about to bust this pack open and see if we find a Mew.
Guys, I haven't did anything Pokemon since Pokemon Go. That's what it was called, right?
Yeah, we used to play Pokemon Go.
We used to catch them all.
We used to go to Central Park, and we used to catch Pokemon, and we'd take the kids there. And I ain't gonna lie, I used to play.
It was fun.
I used to play.
And then when there was like a rare something, the whole crowd would be running.
Yo.
Running.
Snorlax! And everybody is running. No lie, I remember we ran for like a mile to catch a Snorlax in Pokemon Go.
Yep. And then like one of the kids didn't catch it because it disappeared.
That was a Soul Taker, and he was crying.
He was so mad.
He started crying. No, he started crying.
Did he really? I can't remember.
Yeah, he started crying. I don't think none of us caught it though.
We did. Some of us did.
No, it didn't pop up for him. It didn't pop up.
Oh yeah, it didn't pop up.
But I don't think we caught it because Snorlax was hard to catch back in the day. That's when Pokemon Go first came out, before they started doing all this shiny, rare, all this other Mamma Jamma stuff.
Yeah.
But guys,
that was so much fun.
Y'all see all the Pokemons we got? We got Bulbasaur, Pikachu. Who you got over there?
I got Eevee and Squirtle. Squirtle.
We had a Charmander, but he left. He had to go light some flames. So hopefully Charmander comes back before this video is done. But we do have a Charmander.
We do have a Charmander. That is for sure.
Yo, but
he's so cute. He's about this size.
Yeah, he's about the same size as Pikachu.
Yeah.
He got a little flame on his tail, a little baby flame. But guys, let's get into why we here. Because we're hoping to find a Mew.
I want to be very rich, like I never was. In cookies I will invest. My brokers give me a bunch. Oreo.
Right.
And we want to see if these limited edition Pokemon Oreos taste different. So would you like to do the honors and open one up? But yeah, before we jump into this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because this is going to be another banger.
Oh yeah. So
open up the pack. Let's go.
I'm just gonna do the one closest to me.
All right, I'm gonna move this one to the side. You see, we got 2 packs. I'm gonna put this one to the side. We're gonna bust it open. You guys, we made sure we washed our hands. Sure. Ooh, so we're looking for a Mew. I want that $10,000. You feel me? Guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if I ain't say so, but I just did. You go first. Let's see what you pulling. Pulling.
So this one, for some reason, looks nice, fat, and juicy.
Oh, they look a little double stuffed too. Let me see what you got. Show me. Yeah, you fired. You just fired. Let me see what you got. I can't see.
I have a Bulbasaur.
Show them. You got Bulbasaur. Okay. You got a Bulbasaur.
I got a Bulbasaur.
So we got a Bulbasaur here. Let me just get this out the way. Make sure it's nice and neat. There we go.
That's smart.
I'm smart. I wasn't born yesterday.
Yeah.
Let me see what I got. We looking for a Mew, guys. So I got a...
What do you have?
It's a secret. We're gonna put him to the side.
All right. Put him on the side over here.
Don't tell me what to do.
Listen, just put him on. Don't put him on the table. Put him on the side right here. Right here. Right here.
Don't tell me what to do.
Right here. Honey, you know what I think? I think it'll be a good idea.
I'm gonna put him over here on the. Don't tell me what to do. Let's go. Your turn. I'm not gonna tell you guys what that is because that one might be a rare.
It might be.
I'm gonna tell you at the end.
All right.
Who you got? Who you got?
Why I keep putting him upside down?
Who you got? Cause
oh, he's so cute! I got a Squirtle.
You got him. Look at that. Yo, guys.
I'm getting all my friends.
We're pulling all our friends. We got a Squirtle. Can you guys see? Look at that.
Hopefully it's not upside down.
Squirtle. So we got a Bulbasaur and a Squirtle. It's my turn. Can I eat one? Oh my God! Look what I got, babe.
I can't see.
Oh.
Oh!
Yo, we got a. Can you guys see? I don't know. We might be too far, but we got a Pikachu. Another one of our friends. Oh my God! It's your turn.
So cute.
Guys, this might be a long video because we're looking for rares. And guess what? If you watch till the end,
oh my goodness,
we got a surprise at the end of this video if you make it all the way to the end. Wait, I didn't even get to see. How you show them before me?
I got a Charmander.
But you didn't even show me first. You showed them first. What kind of nonsense is that?
You know, I think
you lucky this is a kid video because I will cuss your ass out.
You kind of saw it today.
I don't care. I would have cussed you. If this wasn't a kid video, I would have cussed you out.
You know what? How about you just eat one so you can make you feel better?
Because I'm gonna eat this Bulbasaur. Go ahead.
That's how you eat Oreos?
Oh, my bad.
Exactly. Let me put the Charmander down. Charmander, come back, whatever you are. You know I can't see these things.
Punch him.
Oh, cute.
You gotta punch him. Your turn. Guys, we're looking for Mew.
Rowlet.
Alright, we're gonna speed it up because we don't want to be here all day. Why don't you eat one? Maybe you ain't gonna be so grumpy.
I'm not grumpy. I'm happy all the time.
Eat one. Guys. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't show you.
Yeah.
We got a Cyndaquil. Let's go. Let's put a pep in our step because they're gonna probably stop watching because this is gonna be a 30-minute video.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, this is a rare one. We're gonna put him to the side.
Can't show you, I guess.
No, we're not showing you.
So that couldn't show it. I want to do another one. That's fine?
No, it's my turn. Eat one. I tell you, eat one. You won't be so grumpy.
Don't tell me what to do.
Okay.
Don't tell me what to do.
Ooh, my favorite. Yeah, eat this one. Guys,
I'm not eating it. No. You.
Charmander. That's
two Charmanders.
Charizard is my favorite Pokemon, guys. Hold on. Time out. Let's sing a song.
Wait, did you say
Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Me and you and my pal too.
Stop.
Pokemon.
Seriously. People are gonna unsubscribe. Don't do that.
Eat this damn Pokemon.
Don't tell me what to do.
Eat it.
Listen, so we have 2 Charmanders. I'm gonna stack them if we have a double.
Okay, your turn.
I'm thinking from this side. You wanna know why? 'Cause I feel like it.
How come I have to eat one and you don't?
I love it. Oh my God, Jigglypuff.
Can you sing? Like
Listen, no.
Jigglypuff puts you to sleep.
But
you know what I
listen.
mean? She be putting me to sleep, so I'm gonna call her my little Jigglypuff.
Listen.
Because when she talk, I'll be like this.
Listen, when we used to play Pokemon Go, the kids used to be like, "Oh, it's Jigglypuff." How they used to call me Jigglypuff? Why they do that? That's so offensive. But Jigglypuff is cute though. He's so cute. Wake up!
Oh, sorry, Jiggly.
It's your go.
I'm sorry, Jigglypuff. You put me to sleep. Woo. Another Bulbasaur. Where's Bulby? Bulba. Oh, I ate him. That's right. Your turn. I forgot I ate his gun. Another Cyndaquil. Let's go. Let's speed it up. Come on. We trying to make it to the end of this pack. Boom. We're going to put some speed on this. Squirtle. We had a Squirtle.
Right here.
All right, Oreos. All right, guys. Oh, just to let you know, it tastes like regular Oreos.
Oh, well.
Sableye.
I guess now I know since I didn't get to taste it.
I've been telling you to taste one for a minute. You just don't want to. She's on a diet, guys. She's watching her figure. Another Jigglypuff. Let's go. Guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
You know what I love?
Dratini.
You know what I love? How not only the name is on there, but all their pictures. That is
Charmander.
So nice.
We got another Charmander, ladies and
Right here.
gentlemen. Oh, we got 3 Charmanders.
I'm
Charmanders.
gonna need one Charmander because.
Oh, good. You want me to pull one while you eat?
Yep, please.
Okay, good. I'll pull another one.
Oh, I tried to open it.
Another Dratini. Guys, we bought ours. We got our cookies from Target. Target is like 10 cents more than Walmart if you guys are looking to get it and y'all don't want to pay thousands of dollars on eBay. But guess what? If we get a rare, if we get a Mew, we're going to put it on eBay. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow us on IG, cook_n_comedy, because we will post there.
You know what?
If we get a rare.
Oreos are like when you have one, you can't stop at one.
No, that's Pringles. Where was the Dratini? The Dratini. I know it's right here. Oh, my turn again? Okay. Another Pancham. If you guys don't know what he looks like, can y'all see it? Go ahead, your turn. Or you want to eat another one?
We had 2?
Yeah. I just put it on top.
Pikachu.
Pikachu. Did we get any Pikachus? We did. We did.
So cute.
Snivy.
I love Pikachu. He's so cute.
Go ahead. We got a Snivy.
Another Charmander.
I think I'm gonna eat another one. I don't think you can eat just one like
I
you
told
said.
you, yeah, you can't.
I'm gonna eat the Mew. If I get a Mew, I'm eating him. $10,000 in my belly.
1 cup.
Oh, I like him.
You would get 1 cup.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
This one kind of looks like you.
No, I thought it was Jigglypuff.
No, this one looks like you. Guys, we got a Rowley.
Really?
I'm not gonna eat it. Go ahead, your turn. Are we almost done? We're getting there. Still no Mew?
I think this says
Let me see what I say. Groki or Grocky.
Groki.
Guys, you know, I'm
He's so
sorry.
cute.
I'm a little old, so I kind of like only know up to the first 150 Pokemons. Everything else is new to me.
Listen, Pokemon, the show came out, I think, when I was in like 4th or 5th grade.
Another Dratini. I used to love Pokemon. That was like the first series with Ash and Misty and Brock.
Oh no, you know what? It came out when I was in 6th grade.
Totally.
It did.
Oh, yeah, I believe you. What you got there?
Pancham.
Another one. Damn, they're giving him out like hotcakes. Like cookies.
Pancham.
Oh, this one is broke. Listen, Oreo, you gave me a broke
Where's the
Dratini.
Pancham?
He's somewhere in there. We got another Dratini, but he's broken, so that's a reason for me to eat it.
Makes sense.
I think that's it.
No, it's not it.
So far we only got 2 rares.
Got a Pikachu, another Pikachu.
Oh no, I dropped one.
Pika is, I think Pikachu's here. No.
Guys, how do you guys eat your Oreos? Do y'all take it out and like lick the insides like Chef's hand? Y'all just pop the whole thing in your mouth like me.
Oh, there's 2 more. 1 for me, 1 for you.
Ooh, man, not for you.
This is not Twix, bro. This is Oreos.
Oh.
Look, you broke it.
Oh my God, this is my Mew. The Mew is broke. I'm just kidding.
Oh god.
I can't even see what it is.
It's a Pikachu, but he's broken too.
What's the rest of this? I can't see what it was. And the last broken, another Groukey. They're good. Here, I already had 2. You have 1. That's it. Oh my God.
Dropping it.
Oh, I caught. Oh, you caught it. Let me get it. I get that piece.
Okay.
All right, guys. So we done went through the whole pack. We got 2 rares. 2 rares. So what do you think about the Pokemon Oreos? Are they good?
They're delicious.
They taste the same to me.
Yeah, they taste the same. But
Nothing different.
But the Oreos in general are delicious.
All right. So let's get back. Guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So we got 2 rares and we got a pack. A full pack.
Unopened, untouched.
Do you want to tell our subscribers the news? Or should I?
You should.
Guys, we're doing our first giveaway. We are giving away this pack of limited edition Pokemon Oreo cookies to one of our subscribers.
But what they gotta do in order to get the back?
First and foremost, I want to look and see what rares we got. Ooh. So, obviously you gotta be subscribed. You gotta be subscribed to our YouTube channel. So make sure I do that right now. Click the bell, turn on all post notifications. Second of all, we're gonna announce the winner on our IG, cook_n, the letter N, _comedy. Follow us on IG to know if you won. So those are the first two prerequisites before we get into how to win. All right, you ready to know? Can we get a drum roll? Stop.
My drum roll.
Yeah, I don't like your drum roll. I don't like your drum roll.
Can I get another chance?
No. You drum roll like a Snorlax.
Let me.
No, stop. All right, guys. So, like I'm saying, the first. Was it the first what? I forget. I had brain fart. Oh. To win this pack, unopened pack of limited edition Pokemon Oreos, first you gotta comment who won our last video of the one chip challenge.
That was a
rough challenge.
That was the roughest challenge we've ever did.
Guys, I'm gonna put the link in the description of that video.
Yeah.
Comment below who won the one chip challenge.
So in your comment, you have to list all 3, right? So
I didn't even say the other 2. I didn't even say them yet.
You did say 2.
You jumping the gun. I only said one thing so far. You jumping.
And they have to subscribe or follow
I
us on
said that
Instagram.
already.
Alright, well, go ahead. You know what? Go ahead. I go eat another Oreo.
Chef Sam, I said that already. So you gotta be subscribed, and to find out if you won, you have to be following us on IG. Let me repeat that because Chef Sam wasn't paying attention. All right. So first thing is you gotta comment who won our one chip challenge. Boom. Second, you gotta comment who is this Pokemon.
Who's that Pokemon?
Comment who that Pokemon is above us.
I don't know who it is.
I don't even know. That's a hard one. That is a tough flicking Pokemon. I don't even know. That might be a Chef Samamon. And last but not least, you have to guess these 2 rare Pokemon. Yes, we got 2 rares. And we're not showing you. We're going to post a picture on our Instagram. And we're going to announce the winner. So guys, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you follow us on IG. Let us know who won our one chip challenge. Let us know the Pokemon that we put above. And comment these 2 rares. That's it. It sounds like a lot, but if you want this pack, we will mail it to you free of charge.
Absolutely.
Anything else? I think we knocked everything out the park.
These cookies are good.
And we're gonna freeze these. We're gonna make some fried Oreos after.
Yeah.
So if you want to know how to make fried Oreos, make sure y'all subscribe because we're gonna show you how to make fried Oreos.
They are delicious.
That's it. I don't think we got nothing else to say. I'm about to eat one. I might eat one more.
Just one more, and then we're gonna freeze the rest. Because if not, the kids gonna come eat.
All right. So let's wrap this video up, guys. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all try these limited edition Pokemon Oreos. Anything you want to say, Bulbasaur?
Say, where is Charmander?
You heard that? That's it. And we are out.